Good morning, children. Today we will be starting with the new chapter of science, the human body. Our body is a machine. It is a living machine. It consists of many parts such as arms, legs, eyes, ears, stomach, and heart. Each part does a special work. Our eyes helps us to see. Our ears help us to hear. Each of these body parts is known as an organ. We eat, breathe, and remove waste from our body. A group of organs work together to do each of these activities. For example, we use organs such as the mouth, stomach, and intestines to break down food into a simpler form. A group of organs that work together to do a work is called an organ system. Our body has different organ systems. Skeletal system. There are 206 bones in our body. Together they make up the skeletal system. The skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. It also protects important organs such as the brain, lungs, and heart. The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Joints help the body to bend, turn, and move. Muscular system. There are over 600 muscles in our body. Together they make up the muscular system. Muscles are attached to the bones. They pull the bones and help body parts to move. Respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe, and lungs. The respiratory system supplies oxygen to various parts of the body. It also helps us in removing carbon dioxide from our body. Digestive system. The process of breaking down food into a simple form is called digestion. The organs that help in digestion from the digestive system. The digestive system consists of the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, pancreas, liver, large intestine, and anus. In the mouth, we chew the food with the help of our teeth. This food mixes with saliva and becomes soft. The food pipe carries the food into the stomach. In the stomach, the food mixes with digestive juices and is digested further. The food then passes into the small intestine. Here, the digestive juices from small intestine, liver, and pancreas complete the process of digestion. The digested food is then absorbed by the blood in the small intestine. The undigested food goes into the large intestine and is finally removed from the body through the anus. Then we have circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the blood, the heart, the blood vessels. Blood vessels are fine tubes through which blood flows. The heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. The blood carries food, water, gases, and chemicals needed by our body. Nervous system. The nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. It controls all the activities of our body, such as walking, talking, thinking, learning, speaking, and hearing. Excretory system. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, ureters, the bladder, and the urethra. It removes the waste produced in our body. The kidneys make urine which is carried by the ureters to the bladder and pass out through the urethra. The lungs and the skin also remove waste from the body. The lungs release carbon dioxide. The skin removes sweat from our body. The last one we have is the reproductive system. The reproductive system helps to produce babies. So children, today we have learned about our body, which is made up of different organs. An organ system is formed by a group of organs that work together to carry out an activity. The important organ system in our body are skeletal, muscular, respiratory, digestive, circulatory, nervous, excretory, and reproductive system. The process of breaking down food into a simple form is called digestion. Blood carries food, water, gases, and chemicals needed by our body. The nervous system controls all the activities of our body. Thank you.